Hi, this is James Kandasamy. Today I want to talk about one of the most important discovery when buying an asset, and you as a passive investors can value your investment based on that. Of course, everybody looks at cash on cash, what's the total return, and what is the risk on the deal. But the other important factor, especially now when the market is down, is the basis. How cheap did they buy the asset compared to everybody else? And basis would help you in up and down market, and that's what I can see right now. We just did two huge refinances during this time, returning 30 to 40% of our investors' money back during this period where interest rate is so high. And the reason why we can do that, because we bought at such a good basis. We bought it a lot more lower price, and we increased the value on the NOI a lot more than what everybody else did. So we had a lot of upside from the basis that we bought, and that's a very important factor. So look at basis, and that's a very important aspect of any investment.